All right, so right now I'm using the SE Electronics V7 Miles Kennedy edition. Right now I am talking across the microphone, so I'm just trying to avoid plosives since it's a very plosive sensitive microphone. The microphone is around 3 inches away from my mouth. I have an inline preamp plugged into the back of the microphone. I have a Focusrite Scarlett Solo set to around 12 o'clock of gain. I have a compressor, noise suppression, and a noise gate set on OBS. And yeah, this is how it sounds. Does it sound good? So right now, the SE Electronics is a super cardioid microphone. So basically, what that is it's more of a focused cardioid, but with some sound bleed from the back of the microphone. So right now, the back of my microphone is pointed towards the computer fans. So you might hear some computer fans just spinning in the background. Um, yeah, so this is how it sounds.